Your showcase comes to you directly from the kitchen of the master chef, who has agreed to share with us another of his fabulous recipes.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to share with all of you another of my fabulous recipes. It's called depressed duck. And I will be assisted today by one of the noble fellows himself. Thank you. And now I'll start with my secret ingredient. It's garlic, all right. And I finely minced this garlic with my handy-dandy garlic mincer. This new riding lawnmower. From Snapper, world-famous rear-engine riding lawnmower, featuring the patented high-back mowing deck, rugged 6-horsepower engine with a 6-bushel twin bag grass catcher. It's all from Snapper. Next, I create the orange sauce using lots of oranges, and each is meticulously sliced using the piano string found only on this new piano. This magnificent Schaefer & Sons baby grand piano can fill your home with rich melodic sound. This gleaming ebony veneer piano is lovely to look at, to play, and to hear from Schaefer & Sons. And finally, I must depress the duck, and that won't be easy. I have to convince him to step into a most unique high-low trailer. A high-low travel trailer ideal for today's cars, safe, easy to tow. Just flip a switch and almost like magic races automatically for spacious living. It's from High-Low Trailer Company.
And this showcase, in which the duck refuses to be depressed but wouldn't mind going out for pizza, can be yours if the price is right.
Well, Barbara, that is quite a showcase. What would you like to bid on?